Hey, and welcome to Cryptology for You, the channel that's not even about cryptology at all, but all about cryptocurrency. And in today's video, we're going to take a shallow dive, maybe more like a swim on the surface, to look at RSI. I'm your host, Paulie D, and well, let's get straight into that. This is a good time to tell you that this is not financial advice. This is purely for educational purposes, or maybe entertainment, depending which way you look at it, but still not financial advice. What is this RSI thing you are talking of? Well, it is not an injury that occurred while you were working. No. In fact, RSI is a moving average, just like any other moving average, which we will also discuss fully, that goes between 0 and 100, but the most important parts are between 30 and 70. Actually, even more important when they're just outside of those two numbers. So when the RSI, Relative Strength Index, starts going above 70, then you're in an overbought situation. And so yes, at 70. Now, at that point, you're likely to start seeing buying pressure drying up and selling pressure beginning to increase, and the coin could be ready for a slight correction. Yeah, this happens pretty commonly. Check this out, look, it's above the 70 here. This is what an RSI graph can look like, and once you're above that 70 line, things could look like correcting time, and then prices might decrease. Conversely, when you get below that 30 mark, the 30 mark, that is the point where you're in the oversold area, and now buying pressure can increase, and so might the coin's price. Check this. This is an area there where we're just below the 30 mark. Now, I happen to pick a very famous coin to show those two graphs on those previous two little slides, and that just happens to be Bitcoin. At this point, which you saw where we were above the 70 mark, was also the time when Bitcoin went to its all-time high. And this point here where we were below that 30 mark was a time not long after that Bitcoin plummeted. And there is a remarkable correlation between the two. Check this, the RSI graph is here at the bottom and the normal candle graph is up here at the top. And here is that point that I was just showing you before where we've just gone above the 70 mark, and here it is there at the all-time high, and those two correlate quite nicely. And then conversely, of course, we have our lower end. Whoop, there it is, I had to disappear. It's the lower end below the 30, and that correlates with a nice big dump. Oh, I'm back again. Oh, check this though. There is a weird looking number there, and when you're looking at your graph it says RSI 14. Well, that 14 that you're seeing there is just the period. Well, that period, you're the ones choosing. If I have a 1-day period for my candle graph, then I have 14-day RSI periods. Conversely, of course, if I'm using RSI 14 for a 1-hour period, then I have 14 hours worth of RSI periods. It's just a way for you to measure a time frame, and during that time frame, we're looking at some sort of momentum. If you want to check out your very own RSI, you'll need to be going to perhaps Coinmarket Cap, there's a link below, or any exchange. And there you can see, using TradingView, you can actually pick one of these indicators, which is here, which will be RSI. You just type that in and up comes Relative Strength Index once you've done, and you do a little click and up it comes. Look at that. We have a 1-day time period for the candles, and therefore we have a 14-day time period for RSI. Now, why would a trader even be using this? Well, this is your chance to do a little bit more research. This is only a shallow swim, remember. But usually when things are looking overbought, it's a time to sell. When things are looking oversold, it's a time to buy. You want to be buying when the market's shifting around, so when you might be under 30 in your RSI, but heading back towards 30. And of course, you want to sell when the market's at the peak. So you want to sell when the RSI is above 70, but looking like it's about to turn down and cross back over the 70 again. This is not perfect by any means, and you probably should do a lot more research. There are many ways that you can use RSI, but this is, again, a shallow swim. You can join in with our Telegram, Discord, or Facebook groups, and I'd be more than happy to entertain you about this even more. Don't forget, directly below there are some links and you're welcome to click on them. There is one really good one there from Nexo. You can get $25 just for investing, which you were going to do anyway, and just keeping your money there for about 30 days. It's not even a lot. It's $100, and then you'll get $25 of Bitcoin absolutely for free. This is worth it. Plus you help keep this channel going because I also get a bit of a referral bonus just for you doing that. Don't forget you should subscribe, and also you can like and share this video. Hit that bell so you can get more alarms as soon as I start putting out new videos. You know, your friends might enjoy to learn about RSI too, and I've enjoyed telling you, so I really want to get further into this and we'll deep dive soon.